A laundry room is required to have a dedicated ground fault circuit interrupter outlet for both the washer and dryer. This is because these appliances use a significant amount of water and electricity, and a ground fault circuit interrupter can help prevent electrical shocks in the event of a ground fault. It is not permitted to tap the ground fault circuit interrupter circuit for a general convenience outlet within a laundry room. Ground fault circuit interrupter circuits are designed to protect against electrical shock, and adding a convenience outlet to the same circuit can compromise this protection. If the convenience outlet trips the ground fault circuit interrupter, it will also cut off power to the washer and dryer, which could inconvenience the user. To add a convenience outlet in the laundry room, follow these steps. Firstly, run a new circuit from the electrical panel to a new outlet box. Secondly, install a non-ground fault circuit interrupter outlet in the outlet box. And thirdly, label the outlet not ground fault circuit interrupter protected to indicate that it is not covered by the ground fault circuit interrupter protection. This approach ensures that the washer and dryer have dedicated ground fault circuit interrupter protection while providing a separate non-ground fault circuit interrupter outlet for other devices in the laundry room. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides specific guidelines for electrical installations to ensure safety. These guidelines often dictate the requirements for ground fault circuit interrupter protection in areas where water is present, such as laundry rooms. A ground fault circuit interrupter is a fast-acting circuit breaker designed to shut off electrical power in the event of a ground fault. A ground fault occurs when electricity strays from its intended path and flows to ground, often through a person. The ground fault circuit interrupter works by monitoring the current flowing into and out of a circuit. If there is an imbalance, indicating that some current is leaking to ground, the ground fault circuit interrupter quickly trips, cutting off power and preventing electrical shock. For laundry areas, the NEC mandates ground fault circuit interrupter protection for receptacles serving washing machines and dryers. This is due to the increased risk of electrical shock in these areas, where water and electrical appliances are frequently used together. The dedicated circuit requirement means that the washing machine and dryer should each have their own individual circuit breaker in the electrical panel. This prevents overloading the circuit and ensures that each appliance receives the necessary power to operate safely. Tapping into the ground fault circuit interrupter circuit for a convenience outlet is generally not recommended because it can compromise the protection provided by the ground fault circuit interrupter. If the convenience outlet is used to power a faulty appliance or a device that causes a ground fault, the ground fault circuit interrupter will trip, cutting off power to the washing machine and dryer. This can be inconvenient and may disrupt the operation of these appliances. The dedicated circuit for the washing machine and dryer should be sized appropriately to handle the load of these appliances. This means using the correct gauge of wire and a circuit breaker with the appropriate amperage rating. The NEC provides guidelines for sizing circuits based on the expected load. For example, a typical washing machine circuit may require a 20 amp circuit breaker and 12 gauge wire, while a dryer circuit may require a 30 amp circuit breaker and 10 gauge wire, but it's important to consult the NEC and local electrical codes for specific requirements. When installing a new convenience outlet in the laundry room, it is important to run a separate circuit from the electrical panel. This ensures that the convenience outlet does not interfere with the ground fault circuit interrupter protection for the washing machine and dryer. The new circuit should be sized appropriately for the expected load of the devices that will be plugged into the convenience outlet. It is also important to label the convenience outlet as not ground fault circuit interrupter protected to avoid confusion. This will inform users that the outlet is not protected by a ground fault circuit interrupter and that they should take extra precautions when using electrical devices plugged into this outlet. When working with electrical wiring, it is important to follow all safety precautions. This includes turning off the power to the circuit before working on it, using insulated tools, and wearing appropriate personal protective equipment. If you are not comfortable working with electrical wiring, it is best to hire a qualified electrician to do the work. The electrician will be able to ensure that the wiring is done safely and in accordance with all applicable codes. Ground fault circuit interrupters are designed to protect against electrical shock, but they are not a substitute for safe electrical practices. It is still important to use caution when working with electricity and to follow all safety guidelines. Here is a breakdown of key considerations. Firstly, dedicated circuits are crucial for high amperage appliances. Washing machines and dryers typically draw significant amounts of current. A dedicated circuit, usually 20 amps for a washer and 30 amps for an electric dryer, ensures they receive sufficient power without overloading the circuit. Secondly, ground fault circuit interrupter protection minimizes shock risk. Laundry areas are prone to moisture, increasing the risk of electrical shock. Ground fault circuit interrupters are designed to quickly cut power upon detecting a ground fault, preventing serious injury. The NEC mandates ground fault circuit interrupter protection for receptacles serving laundry appliances. Thirdly, convenience outlets require separate circuits. Tapping into the washer or dryer's ground fault circuit interrupter circuit for a general use outlet is a safety hazard and violates electrical codes. A separate, non-ground fault circuit interrupter protected circuit should be installed for convenience outlets to avoid tripping the ground fault circuit interrupter protection for the appliances. Fourthly, proper wiring and labeling are essential. When installing a new circuit for a convenience outlet, use appropriately sized wire and a correctly rated circuit breaker. Label the outlet clearly is not ground fault circuit interrupter protected to inform users that it lacks ground fault circuit interrupter protection. Fifthly, local electrical codes and the NEC must be followed. Electrical codes vary by location. Always consult local codes and the latest edition of the NEC for specific requirements regarding ground fault circuit interrupter protection, circuit sizing, and wiring methods. The NEC Article 210.8 addresses ground fault circuit interrupter protection for personnel. In dwelling units, ground fault circuit interrupter protection is required for 125 volt through 250 volt receptacles installed in locations such as bathrooms, garages, and laundry areas. The specific requirements may vary depending on the voltage and amperage of the receptacle. The NEC Article 210.11 covers branch circuits. This article specifies the requirements for dedicated circuits for specific appliances. For example, a laundry branch circuit must have a rating of at least 20 amps. The NEC Article 250 provides guidelines for grounding and bonding. Proper grounding and bonding are essential for electrical safety. This helps to ensure that the electrical system is properly grounded and that any fault current will safely flow back to the source. The NEC Table 310.15 B16 provides ampacity ratings for conductors. This table specifies the maximum current that a conductor can safely carry based on its size, insulation type, and installation conditions. It is important to consult this table when sizing conductors for electrical circuits. For a typical washing machine, a 20 amp circuit with 12 gauge wire is generally sufficient. For an electric dryer, a 30 amp circuit with 10 gauge wire is often required. However, it is important to consult the appliance's nameplate for specific power requirements. When adding a convenience outlet in a laundry room, it is important to consider the potential load that will be placed on the circuit. The new circuit should be sized appropriately to handle the expected load. It is also important to ensure that the circuit is properly grounded and that all wiring is done in accordance with applicable codes. If the convenience outlet is located near a sink or other water source, it should be ground fault circuit interrupter protected. This will help to protect against electrical shock in the event of a ground fault. There are several types of ground fault circuit interrupter receptacles available. The most common type is a standard ground fault circuit interrupter receptacle that can be installed in place of a standard receptacle. There are also ground fault circuit interrupter circuit breakers that can be installed in the electrical panel. When installing a ground fault circuit interrupter receptacle, it is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. The receptacle should be properly wired and grounded. It is also important to test the ground fault circuit interrupter receptacle to ensure that it is working properly. To test a ground fault circuit interrupter receptacle, press the test button on the receptacle. The receptacle should trip and cut off power to the circuit. If the receptacle does not trip, it is not working properly and should be replaced. Ground fault circuit interrupters are an important safety device that can help to protect against electrical shock. By following the guidelines in the NEC and local electrical codes, you can ensure that your laundry room is wired safely and that your appliances are properly protected. Always consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions about electrical wiring or ground fault circuit interrupter protection. They can provide guidance on the specific requirements for your location and ensure that all work is done safely and in accordance with applicable codes. It's important to remember that electrical work can be dangerous, and it's always best to err on the side of caution. If you are not comfortable working with electrical wiring, it is best to hire a qualified electrician to do the work. They will have the knowledge and experience to ensure that the wiring is done safely and in accordance with all applicable codes. It is important to consider the specific requirements of your laundry room and the appliances that will be used in it. This will help you to determine the appropriate size and type of circuits to install. It is also important to consider the potential load that will be placed on the circuits. This will help you to ensure that the circuits are sized appropriately to handle the expected load. Always consult with a qualified electrician to determine the specific requirements for your laundry room. They can provide guidance on the appropriate size and type of circuits to install, as well as ensure that all work is done safely and in accordance with applicable codes. The safety of your home and family depends on it. Ground fault circuit interrupters are a critical safety component in any modern electrical system, especially in areas with increased risk of water exposure like laundry rooms. They offer unparalleled protection against electrical shock by quickly interrupting power in the event of a ground fault. Understanding the NEC requirements for ground fault circuit interrupter protection and dedicated circuits is essential for ensuring a safe and compliant electrical installation. Never compromise on safety when it comes to electrical work. Always follow best practices and consult with qualified professionals to ensure the safety of your home and family. By understanding the importance of dedicated ground fault circuit interrupter protection and following the guidelines outlined in the NEC and local electrical codes, you can create a safer and more functional laundry room. Remember, electrical safety is a continuous process. Regularly inspect your electrical system and test your ground fault circuit interrupters to ensure they are functioning properly. A properly wired and protected laundry room provides peace of mind and reduces the risk of electrical hazards.